Okay, so 13.1 theoretical probability of simple events as your standard for statistics and probability, and to be able to find the theoretical probability of simple events with 30% accuracy or higher is your goal. Okay, given the practices, the independent practice. So theoretical probability is basically the probability that something is going to happen when all the different outcomes are taken into place. Okay. So in this case, again, you have the number of ways that the event can happen and then the total number of equally likely outcomes. Have a spinner and you're gonna spin, each of those numbers have an equally likely probability of the arrow landing on each of those numbers. So the question is, what is the probability of the spinner landing on 3 or 5? So there's 1, 3, and 1, 5, so that's 2. Out of how many total possibilities? 6. So if I simplify, that's 1/3. And if I change that into a fraction, into decimals, 1 divided by 3. I already know that's this, but here I'll do it for you. So that's repeating, so it's just 3 times repeating. And then how do I change that into a percentage? They're gonna be like that, right? So I move twice to the right and I get 33.3% repeating. Okay, so that will be the probability for that. Okay, this one, imagine you have a basket, or I don't know, you have gummies or candy, right? Flavor, 5 of them are strawberry, 10 of them are cherry, and then 3 of them are watermelon. And so the question is, what's the probability of getting if you pull out your hand without even looking, okay, if you put in your hand in the basket and get a candy, what's the probability of you getting a dulce de cereza, okay, a candy flavor, cherry flavored candy? So then I know that there are 10 cherry out of how many total? So that's 10 plus 5, 15 plus 3 more, that's 18. I need to simplify, so that will be divided by 2, so that's 5 nines, okay? And then I have to change that into decimals. So I'm going to use my calculator just for the sake of time. Actually, I know what it is. It is this, 5 from 8th grade math. And so this is just that. You can again do 5 divided by 9 in your calculator, do it by hand, and you'll get that. And so how do I change that into a percentage? If I have this, gotta move twice, and then I get here. So that's 55.6%, or 6.5 repeating if you want to. But to be honest, percentage, I would just keep it as 33%, and this one I will just keep at 56%. Okay, so that's the probability for that. This one right here, imagine that you go to, I don't know, a party or something, and they're having like a $100 gift card price, and so you have 2 boxes with different color of marbles. So right here you have 4 oranges, 2 greens, 3 blues, and 1 purple. And on this one you have 3 oranges, 2 greens, 2 blues, and 2 purples. And so the question is, which one would you rather pick from? Okay, if you pick an orange marble, that's gonna be the winner. Okay, so you have to find the probability of both of them. So in this case I have 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out of 10. So that gives me 40%. Okay, or use 2 over 5, or use 4 tenths. Okay, and then for B, I have 3. Okay, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Some of you might use single that has 4 and go with that, but be careful. But again, we have to do the math because that might be right. We don't know. Okay. So in this case, 3 divided by 9 is 1/3, which is just 33%. Okay, I would go with A because 40% is greater than 33%. So I will pick that one in that case. Okay, let me give you a few to do. So this one, tell me the probability of the spinner landing on a number less than 5. This one, the probability of getting a strawberry flavored candy. And this one, if, again, same idea, but now if the purple marble is the winner, which one would you rather pick, A or B? Okay, tell me why. God bless you. Bye.